So this is the second video that we have. In case you are hearing echo in the previous video, the video 1, then please ignore that. I have fixed it by reducing the sound of the desktop audio here. It was a duplicate audio. Now this one, the previous video was about creating the hook of the video, the first part, right? This is the one. The first 5 seconds was covered in that previous video that I already uploaded. It's about 17-minute video, but this is the second one in which I'll show you how you can copy the previous project and create a new project for this brand or any other brand that you want to work for in future. So let's go ahead. Now hook is created. I'll just copy the transition here and I'll paste it here. This is a light leak. If you don't know, if you don't have it, then you can also install this app which is called as plugin Premiere Composer. Here we have a lot of free transitions. I am using this one and I have increased the speed of that to 200 to make it faster. Now this is enabled solo track. I'll just disable it.
Let's say you run a great ad.
Let me show you how to increase the audio. This one is the A1 and then this is A2. I'll go to this audio track mixer and increase it to 10 and reduce down is to -10. All the sound effects are now reduced down and the main audio is increased.
It's wasted. Let's say you run a great ad, someone clicks, they land on your site, they like what they see, they call the number, it rings, and no answer. Maybe there is a voicemail, or maybe it's full, maybe it's just cut out. They hang up, they call the next business on the list, that one picks up. You just lost a job, not because your ad,
Okay, so now let's see how we plan it, how to plan the video, right? So that you can work on it accordingly. Now this one, if you see my previous video, you will see that there is a b-roll coming in here.
Here is something no one tells you about. When leads actually come in, most of them aren't during the business hour. They come in at
Sometimes we have to keep it simple as well. Okay, we don't have to show anything, we have to just show the text, but sometimes we have to add b-roll. So here we have b-roll, then simple, and then again we have b-roll on top, again simple, and again then we have this image. So this is how it should go. There should be kind of flow. Again coming back to this b-roll part, again simple. Now that b-roll part, main animation, b-roll part, we have a few animations here just to show how the message comes in auto reply as per the script. Then we have again this like icon things, again we videos, and then we have a background and simple link, and then the end, right? So this is a plan. Similarly, if we see this previous one, after the hook is created, hook has to be similar. We have this on top, b-roll, then we have icons, again we have b-rolls, icons, then simple, then we have a text animation here, then we have this. If it is possible, please add this pointers. You can also copy these things from a project file to download and use that. This is something that we'll do in our next class. And then simple, b-roll, then again we have some kind of animation things, then again animation things, keeping it simple with a background, and then we have the ending, right? Let's see how to do it again. Ahead. So going ahead, I showed you the plan. Now let's see how we plan this video.
Let's say you run a great ad, someone clicks, they land on your site, they like what they see, they call the number, it rings, and no answer. Maybe there is a voicemail.
Okay, so there is a pause coming in, right? So this is the perfect place where we can make changes with the scene. So what to add in this scene? Let's say we should add this one, the top b-roll thing, the easiest one. Okay, we will add this one. So how to do that? Just go to this clip and then copy the position, because this is in a different position, right? We'll place it here. And plus with position we can also copy the ultra key, but as we already prepared a different ultra key here, we'll use that from this video because it has some different setting. So we'll just paste it here, because we have to use that ultra key everywhere. We paste it everywhere. Okay, and now all the green screens are removed, but on top we have this thing, right? It's because the green screen was only till this place, only in this place, and this is the room of that person. You can also see it here. Okay, this is the green screen, and then so we have to crop it. How to crop it? You can just go ahead and copy the crop from previous clip. Copying the crop from previous clip, we have it here. Now this is done. What we'll do is we will have this white line. Okay, if I show you, this white line is this line that you see here. Just copy this and paste it here. It will go till here. If you want, you can also color them, label them with a color, so that you can see till where you have to drag the things, right? Now this is where we will need to add the b-rolls. How to find b-rolls now?
Kids are in bed, they are sitting on the couch.
But we can also see the position of the text here. It's on top, but we need it somewhere here. So let's make this here and bring our text till whatever place we want the b-rolls to this one. Okay, let's keep it here. And now we'll need to find the b-rolls, right? So it's a little lengthy process.
Say you run a great ad, someone clicks, they land on your site, they like.
Here as well we have to apply the position. Okay, now apply the crop as well. Now we'll add b-rolls here. So how to find it? The way I found it is you have to go to this website, Storyblocks, and after this what we'll do is we'll download some b-rolls and then use it. So let's see how to do that one, right? For here we have to find the content that we need to create or find.
Let's say you run a great ad, someone clicks, they land on your site.
Okay, this one. So we'll have to find something where a customer clicking on ad. Okay, that's the one. And then let's say you make a good website and then somebody finds it and they runs on your ad. I will use this too, right? So we'll just download this one and copy this link and then go to this link which is called as fetchpick.com. Once you reach here, just look for Storyblocks video downloader, stock video downloader, and after going here you can just download this. After downloading, what you can do is you can use it. Okay, it will download in 10 seconds. Let's go bring in the another video, this one. And for your information, this fetchpick works for some websites, not all, and sometimes they keep on changing, so you need to try. This is how I usually use it, and it's a good one. After 10 seconds you can just skip ad and it will download it, and I'll just save it somewhere where I can access it. This one, I'll just go and keep it here in source. Okay, and you need to also like make your graph, I mean composition like this, so that it will be easy for you to edit. It's there, everybody has their own choice on this, so you can use the way you want. Now we'll download the other clip as well. This is the one. I'll copy this, and in fetchfic, this link, storyblocks link, I'll go and paste it here and download it. Close the previous one, wait for 10 seconds and download it. Till then, let me show you how to do this. This guy, okay, this one is having a position here, okay, and there is a movement in the position as well. So let's remove the position, let's ignore the position, we'll do that later. And then we have this noise, a kind of small effect that is making it look a little different than what it is originally, okay. And then what we'll do is we'll copy the clip, okay, we'll just copy the clip, this one, video blocks, the story blocks clip, and keep it somewhere here, okay. Now this is how it looks, right? Now we'll replace it with this one. So you have to bring your cursor to the place where you want it, like for example here, I'll just keep it here, and I will go at the front of this clip and then right click on it, replace with source monitor match frame, this one.
Let's say you run a great ad, someone clicks.
Okay, this one. There is a glitch here, and it's kind of made by choice, you can say. I have applied it myself, so we'll keep it.
Let's say you run a great ad,
Okay, now someone clicks on it, but somebody is scrolling, right? So let's see, but for now we can use this same clip, okay, so that if the client is asking us to change, then we can change it later. Let's keep it here again.
Someone clicks, they land on it.
Someone clicks, so we can use the same thing. Someone clicks. Okay, let's remove the keyframe of position.
Say you run a great ad, someone clicks, they land on your site, they like what they see, they call the number.
Okay, let's use this one from the beginning.
Great ad, someone clicks, they land on your site.
Now
They like what they see, they call the number.
now we'll next use this next one, which is okay, somebody is dialing a number, this one maybe, this one. Okay, I'm using this because the content itself is like that. It depends what content you are using, so I will use this story block downloader. Paste it here, download it, and then once it is downloaded, I'll use it here.
They call the number, it rings, and no one said maybe there is a voicemail.
Okay, fine. So now this is the customer calling, right? But there is no one picking up from the client end. So this one I'm using. Now let's skip this ad and download our video. Click, keeping it here. Okay, I'll just copy the previous one and then replace that. from where? I will replace it from somewhere here. I'll just go ahead and replace it. Okay.
It rings and no one said. It rings.
Okay, this guy is talking, right? But we have to show that somebody is trying to call someone, right?
It rings and
Oh, okay, we'll not use this then. So okay, we'll remove that, we'll replace that. Ringing office phone. Where is that office phone? This is the phone that I want to show, but it should be like ringing. There should be no one working beside it. And this is the one. Okay, we can just use this clip maybe, right? And how to do that, you can just download it. This is the phone ringing clip. So this is how we decide it, right? And once it is done, this season is done, you can use it the way I showed you. So let's do that. Right, they are dialing a number. Okay, we'll just dialing a number like this one. This is 911. Okay, it's 911, but we can still use some part of it. What I'm doing is I'm going to this website, pasting our link, waiting for it to be success, and then download it. And once it is done, 10 seconds of ad, then we can skip ad and download it somewhere, like something like this. Once it is downloaded, you can just go and keep it in source and use it wherever you want. For example, I want to use it here. Okay, I want to use it here, and I want to use it from this part. So I'll just go and replace with this.
It rings and no one said. Maybe there is a voicemail.
So this one will zoom out. Okay, how to do that zoom out? So for that, I will keep my pointer at the bottom, because if I zoom out like this, then it will come like this. Okay, it will not cross the white line, because if I zoom out normally, then what will happen, it will cross the line this side. But for that, I'll just make my anchor point the center of gravity here, and then make it kind of like this. Okay, okay, I'll make it opposite, like I'll just keep the keyframe here and then this one here. It will zoom out. Instead of zooming it, it will zoom out. And now this clip that I wanted to change here, okay, this is where somebody is calling.
They like what they see, they call the number.
Okay, they like what they see and they call the number. So for that, I'm using this another clip. I'm calling this one, this one. Okay, I'll use something which comes before dialing 911. And yeah, so we'll do this one for now, and then we'll next class we will learn how to do the next part. If it happens like this, that it shows save as but doesn't save, you can just click save, and you can just, it will be saved in your download in your C drive, right? And you can just paste it to the place wherever you want. Now you can just bring it and keep it here. Okay, sorry, this is not downloaded. We'll have to try it again then. So if you're liking this video, then you can subscribe to this channel. I'm actually making this to edit to assist my editors, but I plan to upload it on YouTube so that it doesn't take away my Google Drive space. So if you are really liking this video, make sure to check out other tutorials on this channel so that it will be helpful for you. And if you are looking for work as well, we can connect on Instagram. So this is the clip that we have, so I'll just go and paste it here, and then yeah, this is where I have to use it. So I'll use it from here, and this one already position is applied and the noise effect is applied. I'll just go and replace it.
They like what they see. They call the number. It rings.
Okay, they like what they see. They call the number, but let them dial the
They
number.
like what they see. They call the number. It rings, and no answer. Maybe there is a voicemail, or maybe it's.
Okay, so this is the one that we did in this class. Similarly, we'll go for next one. We'll learn how to do this zoom in zoom out and this icon thing in our next class. So see you in the next class. The previous one is already uploaded on YouTube. This one 17-minute, this that you saw just now is class 2, and the next one will come soon. Thank you.